So on your right hand side here you have the Scottish Whisky Experience, which we will be doing a vlog on in the future, but not today. But I can't wait to actually do that. I think it'll be a fun vlog to actually carry that out. Right here you have the views of the city, which are okay, but we're going to do a wee vlog on that eventually in the future. What's it called? Amazing Things, World Illusions. Down here is the famous Michelin star restaurant, the Witchery, yeah. You can just look in it already, it looks stunning just walking down there.
I'm the one you ride, I'm the one you ride to. If you don't wanna change, ain't no place to hide, ain't no one to run to. If you don't wanna change, I can help you out, 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 I can help you out.
So you can see there's loads of hidden cafes in these side streets. It serves breakfast and burgers. I've never actually myself went down. Shops now. Heritage of Scotland, where you can buy all sorts. Scotland tops, £10. Fridge magnets, which is always a must for me. Every country I go to, I buy a fridge magnet. I have the Scotland, France. Out today. So guys, there's also been a lot of films filmed on the Royal Mile. You guys have probably seen them because they're quite famous films, but I just want to point out a few things. So, do you recognise this scene from this film?
So, is Eurovision like The Voice?
Just shut up. No, it's not like The Voice.
Is that it over there?
Yes, of course it is, you shithead. It says Eurovision right on it. Don't slow
Okay
down.
guys, so this is the street here that the car goes round, and there's usually a big fucking Eurovision Song Contest at the end of that. It was CGI'd, obviously we don't have that here. That was actually the Hydro in Glasgow that was filmed, and they just made it into Edinburgh. But that was the end of that street there. So the Eurovision Song Contest, or I think it was called Eurovision, Will Ferrell, I believe, starred in it. It's a great film. Really enjoyed it. Guys, it's always nice to tip your musicians. I believe that's a hotel there. The Royal Mile, Edinburgh. So guys, you need a coffee, there's obviously a Cafe Nero. I recommend supporting your smaller cafes, not the big brand cafes that make a lot of money through the city. Support your local cafe, or support a cafe that you would normally not go in. because you probably find the service is better and the coffee's much better as well. Remember this scene from the film?
I got eyes on Jacob.
So it was shot here. I mean, I was here when they were filming that day, and it was absolutely amazing to see how the film and how the end result in the film, what changes they make. But obviously, yeah, there was a zip line there, which obviously never happened, but CGI'd. But yeah, it was Fast and Furious 9. It was filmed at this street and then the other streets across the country. They also did up here in the corner here, where they sat in the corner. The CGI'd a wee bit as well, but kept most of the surroundings. And the most famous film, which is in the same area, you guys are a big Marvel Avengers fan. If you recognise this area here, wow, it's beautiful, eh? City Chambers. So I believe it was this wall here from the film Avengers Infinity War.
The blade. It stopped me from phasing.
Is that even possible?
This is supposed to be my sister.
Where Scarlet Witch and Vision were fighting aliens. This was filmed in Edinburgh, all around the city, and the train station as well. But I think this is the scene behind this wall. I believe it's this wall. And you've got the fringe shop for when it's Edinburgh Festival. You can go in and get your tickets there. And usually at Edinburgh Festival they have the street crawling with acts.
Here we go again. Time is up and I'm calling up my friends. Ain't no wonder why, ain't no wonder I too. Here we go again. Call me up and you wanna be my friend. I'm the one you ride, I'm the one you ride to. If you
American sweets and treats. So I'm guessing all your branded American sweets there. So if you're from America and want to get something that's not in our country, you could probably go to that shop there.
don't wanna change, ain't no place to hide, ain't no one to run to. If you don't wanna change, I can help you out, 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 I can help you out.
Hey guys, so I hope you've enjoyed the tour of Royal Mile on game day. So if you're new to the channel, please subscribe to the channel, hit that bell for notifications, and thumbs up guys. But also put in the comments below. I'd like to hear your feedback. Have you visited Edinburgh lately? Are you going to visit Edinburgh? Yeah guys, I hope you enjoyed the vlog and many other vlogs. Thank you for your much support, and yeah, have a good day guys. Thank you, enjoy.